Hi guys, welcome back to Ivy's Space. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorate my kitchen for spring. Today is the 21st of March and officially the first day of spring, so I wanted to bring you guys this video. As you can see, my kitchen right now has no decoration whatsoever except from that what is it called, the plant over there, that little small plant over there, and that is all about it. Every year I try to decorate my home according to the season because it makes me feel great, it makes me feel happy. So I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate your space. Inexpensive way you can decorate and just make your space and your home look beautiful. So first of all, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please push the subscribe button down below, join the family, and also push the notification whenever I upload a video so that you get a notification, you get a notice that Ivy just upload a video and you can go and watch it. It will help me a lot. And also, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please leave a comment down below if you're enjoying my videos, what you want me to upload, what content you will be interested in this channel or on this channel. Guys, I have a second channel. I have a beauty channel where I do hair, makeup, and all sorts of stuff that has nothing to do with home decoration. If you're interested in stuff like that, head over to IVJTV and you're going to find content of sort in that channel. So let me stop talking and I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate your kitchen in a inexpensive way, quick and fast. So as you can see, my kitchen is mostly white. It's just there's some off-white on it. My kitchen is white and I want to add a little bit of colors in there. If you know me personally, you know I love plants, so I tend to decorate a lot with plants. And if you're not into plants and you cannot maintain plants, you can go with fake plants. They have stores that sell fake plants. I do have fake plants and real plants in the house, and I'm going to show you guys how you can decorate with both of them. And if you're not into plants, you can decorate with other stuff that you like. So first of all, if you want to decorate your house, your kitchen, your bedroom, look for the things that you like. For example, what kind of colors, what are your favorite colors, what are the colors that make you happy when you walk into the home or into your house, into your space. Use those colors, buy things that has those colors in it, if you know what I mean. For me, I love white, and because it's spring and the flowers are coming out, I love plants, I love greens, I love to see green, I love to see plants around my house. So those things make me happy, so I tend to invest more in plants. And vase, you can decorate with vase, and I'm just going to show you guys what I use to decorate my kitchen, and I'm going to start bringing them one by one, right? So you guys might know this from my Christmas home decor. I love this bowl. It's like a cookie jar and I love it. It's really pretty, it's really heavy, and because I can't find something like this at a store, so I'm going to use this to decorate my kitchen. And what I'm going to do, instead of bringing the snowman out, I'm just going to turn it around and it's going to bring this side out. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Let's go, guys. So the first section I'm going to be focusing in decorating is that section over there. I also moved some of my appliances or kitchen appliances around just to give it just a tiny, like a different look. And yeah, so let's go, guys. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to decorate this area. So I have this little mat, and I got this from Dollarama during Christmas season. They had it in gold and red, and if you watch my home decor for Christmas, my Christmas kitchen decor, you see I have it in red. I got a golden one as well, so when the season changed, I can use this color. And because this is really pretty, I love gold, and I have a little tiny bit of gold in the house here and there, and I'm going to just use this to decorate. So I'm going to put in this here, and on top of that I'm going to put this here as a mat, and I'm just going to turn the snowman to the other way. So that is there. So I'm taking this, it's like a wooden picture frame. You can hang this up, but I'm not going to be hanging this up. I'm just going to put it right here like this, beside my beside the cereal dispenser. To go ahead and take, this is a fake flower that I got from what is it called, IKEA. So you can get this from IKEA. I just took the head off and I put it in here just to give it that green leaf look, remember. So I'm just going to put this right there like this, and I'm going to take my fruits, and this one I'm going to put it here, and take this one and just add it here. As you can see, this area is looking a little bit different. It's looking a little bit nicer. And on top of the window ledge, I'm going to use this three. I think I should bring my camera closer. So on my kitchen window ledge here, I'm going to take this. To move to this section of the kitchen. Here is completely empty, there's nothing there. So in this area, I'm going to take this kitchen rose and I'm going to just use it to decorate here, and I'm going to put it here like this. So if you guys can remember this, I got this from Walmart during Christmas period, and I use it to decorate my kitchen. I'm going to use this to decorate my kitchen also in spring. So I'm just going to put this over here, and I'm going to take the vase that I bought with that, and I'm going to use it to decorate. This plant I got from Home Depot. I went to Home Depot last week and I got my spring plants to decorate the house, and I saw this beautiful cute little plant and I got it, and I just put it in here like this, and I'm going to just put this here, put it there for now, and I'm going to take these two balls. I also use this to decorate my kitchen during Christmas period, and the colors are beautiful. There's no specific season. You can use this, I think you can use this all year round. I'm going to put this here like that, and I'm going to take this spiky wall thing that you can hang on the wall, and I'm just going to put it right on it there. And the flowers, my fig plant is just going to come in. See, this area is looking better, just a tiny decor that we can use in the kitchen. I think this is too close. I'm just going to use just a little bit. So this is how this area looks right now. As you can see, just give it just a little bit of spring flowers and some picture frame that you can use. If you're somebody who does not like a lot of stuff in your kitchen, this is a very good idea. You can find simple home decor stuff in Dollarama, Home Sense, and you can just use it to decorate your kitchen the way you like it, guys. And voila, the kitchen decor is done. It is very simple, guys. It is very easy. I didn't do anything special. I didn't make too much changes to it. Just a very simple way to decorate your kitchen. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the final look, just a little decor that you can just add in. Like you can just add into your kitchen and you see like it transform your kitchen a lot. So yeah. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Yeah, so guys, this is how I decorate my kitchen. I hope you guys like it. Is very simple kitchen decor for spring, and I hope you guys like. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the like button down below. Leave a comment down below if you like to decorate your kitchen, and if you're not the person who if you don't care about decoration, especially when you come to your kitchen. So I'm going to let you guys go. Please let me know what video you guys will be interested in next. I have if you guys are interested in how I decorate the house with plants and other, like how to decorate your house with fake plants and real plants and how to take care of your plants, let me know. Leave a comment down below and I'll be happy and grateful to help you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.